Hey, what's up guys? Caper Couple back, and today it's a beautiful day in Cape. Absolutely beautiful. A little tiny bit windy, but nothing really bad, so we're gonna head out. I think we're gonna take you up and check out the old rock quarry today, guys, and get some nice footage up there.
Would have took the dog, but it's just too warm for her because where she's all black and everything, she gets overheated.
Yeah, it's too much for the dog today, so we're sitting at Brador Tim's, guys. You can see here. There's Tim Hortons, and we're gonna head out on the road now. I'll record a bit of that footage for you. Possibly the whole ride, guys. I'm not sure because it's not too long of a drive out there, so catch you guys back when we get there. Peace. What's up guys, we're here, we made it. Like I said, it wasn't a long ride.
It was a beautiful ride actually.
It's just out, get out Georges River and you get to George's little white store and keep going straight, do not take the right.
Like we did.
And you'll appear, you'll see this on the side of the road, guys. It's not hard to miss it. Only a squirrel or something there. She grabbed my hand right tight because she heard something in the bush there. It's a bird. But here's the old rock quarry, guys. Operated by the Dominion Iron and Steel Company, this quarry began in 1899. It was operated until 1951, and it was worked for dolomite and used as flux at a nearby steel plant. Other types recorded here are apophyllite, magnetite, pectolite, calcite, celestine, pyrite, pyroorite, chromite, graphite, talc, hematite and tremolite. So that's the area, guys. There's a little brook down there, and if you remember that episode Bear Cave, guys, follow this brook and it'll lead you up to Bear Cave, which is only I believe it's the next property over. I know it's not far from here, and it's pretty much right next door. Look at that washout, guys. That road washed out pretty good. It's a really big hole here. So you wouldn't get a car in this far, and you can see where we parked. But it's a beautiful area, guys. Absolute beautiful area. If you're a photographer, you certainly want to come and get pictures of this. Beautiful scenery here to take some snapshots. And I'm actually going to put the drone up here, guys, and get you guys some nice footage. We'll do that in a couple of minutes here. Show you around first. Up this area a few times before, but never decided to film it. Actually looks like there's a trail running up that side, guys. See it up in the trees up there. You want to go for a little walk up the... oh no, we left the doors open. Yeah, I don't want to go too far with the doors open. I was going to say walk up the trail. Actually, we'll walk up this one anyway. We can see the car over there. There's some kind of block of cement here for something, guys. Or is it a building, or is it just a big square block of cement? Possibly used to be a bridge here. That would be my guess. Be quite the dirt bike jump. Yeah, it looks like a stand for a bridge, guys. Beautiful area. Look at the rock. This is the rock they mined out of here, guys. You believe that all those trees are growing on the edge of it? Look at the trees up on top of the rock, babe. And what do we have up there, guys, but another burnt, stolen car? My guess is it's stolen, which it most likely is. But look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Great piece of scenery.
Smell.
Selfie girl's taking pictures again.
Usually.
So what do you think, guys? One of the many, many areas we can bring you guys to and show you around. Something else, eh? It's one big piece of rock. I like the shape of this one. It's quite the rock. That is quite the rock. Anybody's a mountain climber, rock climber, here's your rock to climb. I don't believe anybody ever come up here and tried it. So guys, with that being said, I'm going to get the drone out here and get you guys some nice footage. So we'll catch you back in a bit. See you then. So that's about it, guys. What do you think of this area?
I think it's nice. I love the rocks.
It's a great exploration area. Sorry we didn't walk up the trails, but we just don't have time today. So,
The flies are eating us.
but I'll show you guys. Come up the road, and there's a roadway goes over this side, and the trail starts right up there. And there's also, you'll have seen in my flight footage, there's trails going that way over the end of this road. So all you guys that are into exploring, head over this area, guys. Lots of flies up here too.
Yeah.
The flies would carry you away. There are that many, they would carry you away.
Yeah, they're carrying me away.
So with that being said, guys, we're back to the car, heading home, calling it a day. Next one, I'm not sure. We may head down north somewhere, check out some areas down there. So subscribe to the channel, get a chance at that drone. Comment down below, guys. Make sure your post notifications are on, and until the next one,
Catch you later.
bye guys, peace.